Welcome to the mat. Here's another great warm-up, and it's called cherry picking. Cherry picking is a movement that is great for chair yoga, seated, as well as standing. Again, another one you can do seated, as well as in a yoga pose like high lunge, warrior 2, warrior 1. So be creative with it. Standing in Tadasana lady is, she's going to bring her arms straight up overhead, and as she picks with one arm, she's going to reach and lean and relax the other one down, and then repeat that process on the opposite side. So inhale, pick and reach, and exhaling back to center. Inhale, pick and reach, and exhaling back to center. So Lainey has pretty good lateral reach, but maybe you're not quite as flexible as Lainey, and you can just go straight up and just have a slight crescent when you pick and reach, like in fact you were picking from a tree. And so just play with that range of motion, play with what feels good, play with what works for you. This is a really great pose or great movement for elderly because most of the things I notice with my older clientele is as we age, we just don't reach up overhead as much. Think about it. If you go to someone's house that's, let's say, your grandma or your great aunt, we move all of these things down from the upper cabinets because we don't want them to hurt themselves. We don't want something to fall on their head. And essentially what we're doing is we're taking away this range of motion and this movement that we need. We need that overhead reach. This is a back stretch. This builds deltoid strength. This builds upper back strength. And when we take away these movements, the next thing that we know is we're not doing them at all. So this is a great checkpoint for your class, and don't be limited just by an older clientele. Even look at your middle-aged clients or your younger clients. Are they reaching in all different heights in order to really truly help their body excel in every way, shape, and form possible? Great job.